morning guys, it's May 8th, day 1 of this Tweed Jacket project following a pattern from the 80s. Recently, I've been thinking a lot about the environmental impact of the fashion industry and the endless needs that has been created. I used to buy a lot of stuff, not because I absolutely love them, but more because of the feeling of security when buying them. It's like there's nothing you can control in the world except for throwing away your hard-earned money. And I know I'm not alone. A few days ago, I found this 1986 pattern book lying underneath my bed when I was obviously decluttering. So this book definitely looks old and questionable, but fashion always goes in cycles and those brands just change up a few things every season and make it work. So I decided to follow this pattern book and try one of the pattern and see if the pattern really works in today's fashion standard. So here's the fabric I chose. I bought it years ago. It's a tweed type of fabric with cotton, I would say. Really smooth to the touch and soft, and they shrink a bit after wash. So I followed this book and traced out the pattern on a scrap piece of paper. Actually, the filling paper from Amazon packages. And then I cut it and sew it. I know you're not gonna follow through this video, just lay back into your couch and be truthful to yourself. I've done quite a bit of work and it's time for a coffee break. No matter what things you're in the middle of, you need such a moment once in a while. So fashion in the 80s, it's all about being bold, like bold colors, oversized statement pieces, disco gear and glam rock and all of that. I love it. I listen to glam rock, Lou Reed, T-Rex, I'm a Virgin, so there must be an influence there. Fashion and arts, music, they all follow the movement, well, sometimes literature too. It was an age of freedom, people were so loud and creative and confident, like they're capable of doing anything. Sometimes I would think, if I can take the time machine, I would probably travel back to the 80s or 2066 if the world still exists by that time. By the way, just so you know, what I've been making is the lining. I just used the exact same paper pattern to cut out another front and back pieces and sleeves, but slightly like half an inch smaller, so that whenever you insert them into the jacket, it's not gonna crouch all together whenever you move. I just like the feeling of being so free. It's like wearing a neon orange suit to the office and hair dyed blue. I know some of you probably have done that, but you're the lucky ones. Or I have to say, I'm not as brave as you are to face all the weird looks from strangers and colleagues. Deep inside my heart, I say fuck you to their face, but reality, I just walk away. I saw someone on YouTube created this quarantini, and I'm just gonna borrow the idea because it's accurate as hell. Cheers. By the way, the YouTuber is Rob from Sweatbanger. Thanks for your brilliant mind and just love what you. Here I am trying it on so I could make small adjustments when I have no proper dress on. Hope you don't mind my loungewear. Let's be honest, everyone has been looking like this for the past 2 months. Nothing to be ashamed of. I still have the sleeves to work on, the edges are completely raw.